It's your girl Donnell. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how much collagen I have in one day. Stay watching and I will be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
How much do you consume in one day, Donnell? How much? Well, before I even tell you how much I consume, let's talk about collagen. For anyone who's new to this world and you're still wondering like what is collagen and what's the big deal about it. If you hit the age of 25 and over, your body tends to produce less and less collagen. How much do I really consume in one day? Well, you guys, if you followed my channel for a bit, then you know I am crazy about Neocell Super Collagen, and this used to be my regular thing. This is usually when you have 1 scoop of Neocell Super Collagen. This gives you about 6 grams of collagen a day. Now, since doing this, and since creating more of these videos, I would say in addition to my 6 to 7 grams from Neocell Super Collagen, I find that I am sneaking it in other recipes. So I would say that I am consuming about 10 grams of collagen on a daily basis. Now I know you're thinking, well, that's not a whole lot. And you're right. There are some companies out there, I've seen Vital Proteins out there, and they recommend that you give yourself 2 scoops per day, and 2 scoops of them equates to 20 grams of collagen. I have this brand in front of me that I started taking, which is RX Select, and they will say take 2 scoops, which equates to, this will give me 10 grams of collagen as well. Now when I take this, I only give myself 1 scoop, so I'm not consuming the 10 grams of that. I am getting my collagen throughout the day, not just with my Neocell or not just with the mix. But remember guys, I am also consuming different things that I make using collagen. I'm so tired of just drinking my collagen and plain water. To me, that is super boring, and you know, sometimes it gives you this funny, funky taste in your mouth. And I am trying to implement other ways of consuming my collagen. In other videos, you will see that I consume my collagen by mixing it in with smoothies and shakes. I've even gone ahead and made popsicles. I have a mimosa video that I'm working on as well. There's so many other ways. Scrambled eggs, omelets. There's so many other ways that I am consuming this. So I'm gonna tell you, as far as with the Neocell, when I consume Neocell, I'm receiving 6 to 7 grams of collagen from here, and then I sneak in an additional about 2 to 3 grams of collagen in different things. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap that bell, share this video with a friend or 2, and remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.